Have you ever wondered why we celebrate Earth Day? Picture this, a special day where people all around the world come together to appreciate and protect our beautiful planet. Earth Day is the day of unity and action for our environment. Earth Day is not just any ordinary day, it's a day when we show our love and care for our only home, the Earth. But do you know when and why Earth Day started? Let's travel back in time to the year 1970. A U.S. senator, passionate about the environment, wanted to raise awareness about our precious planet. He established the first Earth Day, so Earth Day was born out of a desire to protect our planet for future generations. Why do you think Earth Day is important? Earth Day plays a vital role in raising awareness about environmental challenges and promotes action to protect our planet. It underlines the significance of clean air, fresh water, and a thriving environment. Earth Day reminds us that every little effort counts when it comes to protecting our planet. So, how can you celebrate Earth Day and make a difference? It's simple. You can recycle, plant a tree, or even clean up your local park. Even the smallest actions can make a big impact. Remember, every action you take, no matter how small, can help protect our planet. Are you ready to become an Earth Day champion? Let's do more than just celebrate. Let's protect our beautiful planet, not only on Earth Day, but every single day. Remember, your actions can make a huge difference. Whether it's planting a tree, recycling, or saving water, every little bit helps. So go ahead, start today, and let's make every day Earth Day.